Greetings and good day. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with you for the daily Ethereum analysis on April 6th. We're on the first trading day of this week, and we saw that Ethereum closed last week's candle as a bullish candle. With more than a 6% increase, Ethereum's price rose from around $1,985 to the $2,000.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
$1,100 range at the start of the week. On the daily time frame, we can see that at the beginning of last week, after the price reacted to the daily order block, it was supported by buyers around the $1,985 level and moved upward. Later in the week, a risk-off sentiment emerged in the financial markets, which led to an $83 drop in Ethereum's price. However, towards the end of the week, we once again saw Ethereum's price rise. Currently, Ethereum is trading in the $2,135 range. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of liquidity from Ethereum ETF funds. Here we can see that, on average, about $42 million in outflows were recorded in ETF funds over the past week. You can also see the Fear and Greed Index, which is at 37, its highest level in the past 2 weeks. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. Last week, during the upward movement at the beginning of the week, the price reached the 4-hour FBG zone and pulled back from this resistance level. We saw that with the escalation of tensions in the Middle East and the risk aversion that occurred in the crypto market, the price quickly dropped and then entered a range-bound area. Now, with this strong upward movement and the simultaneous increase in the Fear and Greed Index, it could indicate the return of buyer support for Ethereum. If this support continues along with a decrease in military tensions, we can expect further price growth. To make a better prediction, we will examine Ethereum's liquidity map. Here we can see that the main area for buy-side liquidity is at $2,172, which is above the previous highs. Similarly, the main area we can consider for sell-side liquidity is at $2,006. So we are currently analyzing the 1-hour time frame. We can see that in its recent move, the price has risen and filled the 1-hour FBG. In the past hour, the price, by closing in the form of pin bar candles, clearly shows uncertainty. However, the prediction we can make for the price going forward is that Ethereum, with a short-term correction, can collect its internal liquidity from the BPR area and then continue its upward movement. This movement is conditional on the continued de-escalation of military tensions in the Middle East. Wishing you success and profits.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.